So this is how you guys can buy gold here on Wealthsimple. So once you guys open up the Wealthsimple application, I want you guys to go to the bottom bar and select the magnifying glass icon. Once you're on the screen right here, I want you to go to the top to where it says search. Now once you're on this page right here, what you can actually do is you can just search physical gold right here. So if you just were to go ahead and type in gold like this, three options down under commodities, there's Wealthsimple physically backed gold. If you wanted to go ahead and select that, which you're going to be right here, you can then go to the bottom left and select an account. I will just do my FHSA as an example, and then I will press buy in the bottom right. Now once you're on this page right here, you can select how much gold you want to purchase. So if you wanted to do $1 worth, you could do that. It'll then show you how much ounces that equates to. Then you can press review. Then once you're in this page right here, you can review the transaction. So when you guys are buying commodities and you guys are buying gold in this case that is physically backed, there actually is a 1% fee that is connected to it. So now, as you can tell, my fee here is 1 cent because I'm buying $1 worth. That's the first way you guys can do it. You guys can buy physically backed gold that way under commodities. Now, if you don't want to go this direction, if you want to maybe save a little bit on fees or whatever you guys want to do, you can actually buy gold ETFs. As an example, so there are some examples of gold ETFs, but a couple that you guys can do, just in this video for an example, if you were to go ahead and type in CGL.TO, our CGL as an example right here. There's a bunch of different ones. So there's one right here at the top, BlackRock Asset Management Canada Limited iShares Gold Bullion ETF. You can go ahead and select this. Once again, select your account and then press buy. If you wanted to do $1 worth, you can press review, and then you guys can go ahead and buy it this way. So the first one is CGL. This is a gold ETF. Another one you can also do as well is if I were to go back here, I will type in kilo just like this, Purpose Gold Bullion Fund. You can go ahead and select that. Kind of works the exact same way. You can press buy, do what you got to do, type in the amount, and then you guys can proceed that way. So a few different options for you guys when it comes to buying gold. You can buy physically backed gold through commodities here, or you guys can buy, through a gold ETF like the ones that I just showed you. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how you guys can buy gold on Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.